Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can simply download and install uBlock Origin in your computer in a very simple way. It's an extension for the best and the most efficient free and ad blocker browser extension from your computer. You can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for uBlock Origin. Click enter, and then we're going to get uBlock Origin. Click on that, get uBlock Origin for Google Chrome. Click on got it and click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. If you visit any of browser and then if you go any of website and then if it feels like it had a lot of ads, then it will going to block the ads from your browser. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.